wanted to wait until I had actually used the product, or I didn't use it, but my dog has, before I gave a review. I do like the inner seal that ensures it stays locked up tight. You're going to see these little pellets are small, and so what is considered a maintenance serving size for my 45-pound dog. See here, looking at the guide, it's going to be, well, I'm not showing it to the camera. In any case, it's going to be 2 little scoops, if you want to call them that. I promise I'm making this look harder than it actually is. Just to give you a point of reference, I want to show you how much this actually is. It's barely anything. That's why the actual bag size itself shouldn't alarm you. Okay, I've made a right mess of things. Let me scoop these into my hand. Okay, again, just a little handful. Pop it into the food bowl. I use a spoon to mix it up. And actually, my little tubby is on the advanced support dose. I've already put that in. And you'll see, they're basically barely discernible. They must taste okay because my picky eater has no problem. Get the air out. Then I wait to hear that seal when I make contact. There it is. You can hear it as it seals up, and of course you can always check it. Yep, sealed up tight. Then I simply fold over. Because the spoon or scoop that comes with it actually can get a little bit hard to fit in there once you've started going through the contents of the bag. So I just use the actual folds within the roll to store it. It will pop right in there. Easy peasy. And back on top she goes.